Hi, this is Guy, the High Priest of Crypto. Now, before I jump into this review of Cindicator, you should know that we are not paid or mandated to do any of these videos. We do our research and present our views for your educational purposes only. I'm not your financial advisor, and this ain't financial advice, people. Oh, and one more thing. If you're new to the Coin Bureau, then you may want to hit that subscribe button for the latest news, reviews, analysis, and other juicy info. So, with that out of the way, let's get right back to Cindicator. Cindicator is a pretty unique project that is trying to merge artificial intelligence, that's AI, and human intelligence into one hybrid prediction system. They have actually dubbed this hybrid intelligence. Essentially, the platform uses the wisdom of the crowd by sending out questions about financial and cryptocurrency markets. Analysts answer the questions, and the answers are aggregated to help make market predictions. This is then combined with AI systems that will analyze these responses and give higher weight to those that have been successful. So, how exactly is this going to work? Well, there are three key components behind the Cindicator network. These are their analyst pool, their AI system, and their collection of products. The Cindicator analyst pool currently includes over 115,000 analysts, some of whom are professionals and some of whom are relatively new. In fact, you can even register yourself and start predicting. The Cindicator platform gives anyone the chance to monetize their knowledge of financial markets, and in return, it receives valuable input for its prediction engine. Essentially, they have to answer questions on where they think a particular stock or cryptocurrency is going in price, up or down, or more open-ended questions like the exact price level. They will then get rated for the accuracy of their predictions. Those that get the best rating will receive either Ethereum or Cindicator's utility token, CND, and more on this in a bit. Now, after these analysts have given their predictions, Cindicator's AI system will analyze the accuracy of these. The system will look at things including patterns, mistakes, data clusters, etc. This AI system will then combine all of this information into one large predictive model. And finally, you have additional products offered by Cindicator, including their Cindicator bot, as well as Cryptometer. The former is an automated trading service, whereas the latter scans for cryptocurrency arbitrage opportunities. Pretty neat. If any of this was unclear to you, then you can read our long-form review in the link below. Moving on then, another central component to the Cindicator ecosystem is their CND utility token. As mentioned, this is used to pay the analysts and for purchasing services from Cindicator. It is an ERC20 standard token that was built on the Ethereum blockchain. Cindicator issued these initial tokens in an ICO that took place back in the heyday of the 2017 bull run. In September of 2017, they were able to raise a total of $15 million in exchange for 1.5 billion CND tokens, so about $0.01 per CND. They went live for trading not long after that and faced the full vagaries of the bull and bear market of 2018. Now, let's take a closer look at the team behind Cindicator. Although they conducted their crowd sale in 2017, the project was actually launched back in 2015. The founders of Cindicator have experience in entrepreneurship, software development, data science, and trading, to name but a few. The team has grown to over 60 members across 9 countries. There are also some pretty high-level advisors behind it, including the likes of Anthony Diorio, the co-founder of Ethereum. In terms of trading, CND tokens are listed on quite a few exchanges. However, whether they are actively trading on these exchanges is a different story. Over 90% of the volume for CND tokens is currently taking place on the Binance exchange. Moreover, the daily turnover levels on the exchange books are really quite low. Both of these factors could pose a risk to the liquidity of the CND token and make it harder to execute large block orders. Not ideal. Anyways, once you have your CND tokens, you're going to want to store them in an offline wallet. Now, this is an ERC20 standard token, which means that you really have a plethora of options when it comes to storage. I, however, would opt for a secure hardware wallet like a Trezor or Ledger. So, what do I really think of Cindicator? Well, I do like the concept of combining crowd-based wisdom with the scientific approach of AI. It creates a unique ecosystem where analysts can put their skills to use for money and investors can pay to use these AI-augmented skills. Having said that, one has to question whether there is really any potential, or need even, for their CND utility token. Analysts can just as easily be paid in Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency. Moreover, the thin liquidity limited to only one exchange is also a bit of a concern for me. Yet, there may be some interesting developments in the pipeline that is likely to renew interest in the project. We will keep a close eye on it and report back. So, what do you think of Cindicator? Are you hodling CND? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you found my video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. I will be sending you many more juicy reviews that you won't want to miss.